The Toyota Hilux pickup truck has a rich history spanning over 5 decades. It was first introduced in 1968 as a replacement for the Toyota Briska, a pickup truck that was produced from 1961 to 1967. The Hilux was designed to be a rugged and reliable work vehicle with a focus on durability and off-road capability. In the early years, the Hilux was equipped with a 1.5-liter or 2.0-liter gasoline engine and was available in a range of body styles, including a two-door pickup, a four-door pickup, and a cab chassis model. The Hilux quickly gained a reputation for its toughness and reliability, and it became popular in many countries around the world, particularly in Australia, where it was widely used as a work vehicle on farms and construction sites. In the 1980s, Toyota introduced a new generation of the Hilux, which featured a more modern design and improved performance. This generation of the Hilux was equipped with a range of engines, including a 2.4-liter diesel engine, which provided improved fuel efficiency and torque. The Hilux also gained a reputation for its off-road capability, with features such as four-wheel drive and a locking rear differential. In the 1990s, Toyota introduced a new generation of the Hilux, which featured a more aerodynamic design and improved safety features. This generation of the Hilux was equipped with a range of engines, including a 3.0-liter diesel engine, which provided improved performance and fuel efficiency. The Hilux also gained a reputation for its durability, with many owners reporting high mileage without major mechanical issues. In the 2000s, Toyota introduced a new generation of the Hilux, which featured a more modern design and improved technology. This generation of the Hilux was equipped with a range of engines, including a 3.0-liter diesel engine and a 4.0-liter gasoline engine. The Hilux also gained a reputation for its improved on-road handling and comfort, making it a popular choice for both work and recreational use. Today, the Toyota Hilux is one of the most popular pickup trucks in the world, with a reputation for its durability, reliability, and off-road capability. It is available in a range of body styles and trim levels, and is popular among both work and recreational users.